Hey, I'm here to tell you why so many families in the Bay Area turn to one team when they need comfort, safety, and reliable service. Fuse Service. Since 2017, we've gone from fixing appliances to being full-on superheroes. HVAC, plumbing, electrical, refrigeration, and much more, you name it, we've got it covered. Broken AC, leaking faucet, no hot water? We are the team that shows up same day, 7 days a week with real solutions. We provide up to 12 years warranty for our labor, free estimates, and 24/7 customer service. We even offer financing, loyalty program, and rebates on energy-efficient equipment because your comfort truly matters. Fuse is more than just service, it's peace of mind with a superhero touch. Contact us today and let us bring comfort back to your home.